What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Mz.Kella's Touch, and it is your girl, Mz.Kella, of course. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Go ahead. I'll give you a few moments. Go ahead, log off and come back in. No, I'm just playing. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now. Click that bell to get a notification every time I post a new tutorial. And make sure you leave me a comment in the comment section. I do love comments. I like to hear your thoughts and what you think, and if you like it, if you don't like it, what's wrong, what's right, you know. Anyways, so today I created a nice little glam look. So I want to look a little jazzy, a little snatch boo, because you know that's how we do it over here. So if you like to see so goofy. If you like to see this beautiful look that I'm rocking right now, go ahead and keep watching this video and we'll go through it step by step. Day by day. Oh. I always got a song break. Like, I always got to break in song. Like, it's me, y'all. I want to go to get this beat done, boo. So we're going to go ahead and go into the video. So as you guys see, I already started with my eyebrows done. I did them off camera. So I'm going to start with priming my face with my Wet n Wild primer. I'm going to get that all blended in, so I won't be looking all owly and stiff. And now I'm going to be concealing my eyelids with my MAC NW40 concealer, just to make sure those colors pop. And my HD Flawless setting powder, just to, you know, make that all set it and looking glad. I got my MAC palette here, so that's what I'm going to be using to build my eyebrow colors. Going to take like that light plush pink color and blend that in right on top of my crease there. So just blending that in, getting it nice and smooth, picking up a little color. You barely can see it, but it's in there. It's in there. I'm going to use that burgundy-ish color and like pat it there on the end and sweep it inside of my crease just to build up. Go sweep it in. Go sweep it in. Hey. Y'all see it for me. Y'all see it. Yes, come through, burgundy, come through. So now I'm going to get that burgundy and I'm going to try to sweep it out a little bit so I can make that wing once I'm finished. I'm going to take that dark brown that I have in that MAC palette and just pack it in on the corner of my eye there. So just kind of get it kind of dark and smoky. Now I'm going to take that MAC concealer over again, the NW40. And I'm going to begin to do my cut crease here. So y'all just give me a moment because this take a little time, boo. Now I got them cut crease finished, boo. It's all together. I'm going to go ahead and go on my Perfect 99 palette from my local hair store. And it's like this glitter, light glitter color, like pinkish color. I'm going to go ahead and pack that in where I did my crease. Getting full coverage over that full cut crease area. I'm going to take that brush that I used with my burgundy and blend that in. I'm also going to take my brown brush and blend that in. Take the brush that I started off with at the top with that light pink and blend that in. And now I'm going to work on this wing. Yes, let's get it. I just want to let you guys know that the brushes that I'm using for my eyebrows and everything are from local beauty supply stores, so I do not know the name of them. Now I'm going to go in with my Clinique foundation in 28 Clove and going to get that spread out across my face and start blending, girl. I will also be using the Sephora Golden Hour to add a little bit of glow to my face. And y'all already know what time it is. It's blending time. Make sure you blend everything in fully. Go over, do it however long. It doesn't matter. Blend. That's what you want to do. You want to blend all down your neck, all on your nose, all on your lips, all up your nose. Blend, boo, blend. Now I'm going to go back in with my MAC concealer and conceal under my eyes. And I'm also going to conceal and draw a line under my wing just to give it some definition. Yes, to the angel wings under my eyes. Ooh, ooh. I'm going to put some of that concealer on my forehead. I'm also going to put some on my nose, the bridge of my nose, and also on my chin. Oh yeah, and I'm going to put some right there on my lips. And you already know what time it is. It's blending time, boo. Let's blend. And now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, color Mahogany, and go ahead and contour my face. And I'm going to use my Banana HD Flawless Setting Powder to go ahead and set my face. I'm going to do under each eye, down the bridge of my nose. I'm going to do my forehead, my chin, and yeah, that's it. Oh my gosh, so here I forgot to blend in that LA Pro Mahogany color on my nose. Oh my gosh, good thing I caught it. Anywho. So after baking, I went in with that burgundy color and added some of that under my eyes. I also went in with that brown color and I added a little bit of that under my eyes, and also used that pink plush color and used that in the increase of my eyes. And now just go ahead and blending everything together and making sure we looking good and blended, boo. I'm going to take that same plush pink color and put it under my eyebrow. I love that color. Now I'm going to take my LA Bold Lash and get ready to apply these lashes. I applied my lashes off camera, but hey! Yes, boo. Yes, yes, yes. I just used my NYX setting spray to set my face. And I'm going to go in with a local beauty supply store dark brown pencil to line my lips. And now to finish it off, I'm going to go in with my Satin Ruby Woo lipstick. I totally love this lipstick. I love this color on me. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my lips. And finally, I'm going to use that same plush color that I've been using to give my cheek a little highlight. So this is my final look. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed everything. Let me know if there's anything that I'm missing that I didn't tell you guys that you want to see different. Let me know if you like this look. I'm gonna put in the description box below what products I use. So let me know what y'all think. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace.